Does your recipe call for crushed ice? When regular cubes just won't do, get crushing with simple kitchen utensils and some good old elbow grease. Start by laying out a clean tea towel on a chopping board and placing ice cubes in the center. Then wrap the tea towel round like so, forming a neat little ice parcel. Flip the parcel over and then use a rolling pin to smack repeatedly. Bad day at work? Did your partner forget to do the washing up? Smack the stress away. That's enough now. And now you can flip the parcel over and open it up. And there you have it. Crushed ice. Isn't she a little nifty one in the kitchen?
Tipplesworth. Cases full of cocktail fun.